Paris, the city of light, is gearing up to host the world's biggest sporting extravaganza, the Summer Olympics this year. The French capital is set to host about 10,000 athletes from more than 200 countries, competing in 329 events across 32 sports disciplines. The Games are slated to kick off on July 26th and wrap up on August 11th, marking the 33rd edition of the quadrennial spectacle. This year's Summer Olympics will introduce 4 new sports events in addition to the 28 traditional Olympic sports. The list of games that will debut in the Paris Olympics this year includes breaking, skateboarding, surfing, and sports climbing. It is important to note that even though Paris Olympics officially begins on July 26th, football and rugby sevens events began on July 24th. The Paris Olympics will kick off with an unprecedented opening ceremony on July 26th. Departing from tradition, this ceremony will take place on the Seine River, rather than inside a stadium. The Parade of Nations will feature over 10,500 athletes, traveling on around 100 boats for 6 kilometers, passing by notable Parisian landmarks such as Notre Dame, Pont des Arts, and Pont Neuf. The procession will start at the Austerlitz Bridge near the Jardin des Plantes and end at the Trocadero, where the remaining Olympic protocol and performances will occur. The event, lasting over 3 hours, will be directed by Thomas Joly, a distinguished French theatre director and actor. When and where to watch opening ceremony live stream in India. Indian viewers can watch the live broadcast of the Paris Olympics opening ceremony on 26 July starting at 11 p.m. on Sports 18. Additionally, JioCinema will offer free live streaming of the event. Indian athletes. Building on its success from the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, where India won 7 medals, including a gold in athletics by javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra, the country will send 122 athletes to Paris. These athletes will compete in 69 medal events across 16 sports, with 5 reserve athletes also present. PV Sindhu, a 2-time Olympic medalist in badminton, and Sharath Kamal, a veteran table tennis player competing in his 5th Olympics, will serve as the Indian flag bearers for the Parade of Nations. They will be the first from their respective sports to hold this honor. Indian athletes will be dressed in kurta bundi sets for men and matching saris for women, designed by Tarun Tahiliani, with traditional ikat-inspired prints and Banarasi brocade. Lovlina Buragohai from Assam is among the athletes who got bronze in previous Tokyo Olympic, making her first Assamese person to achieve an Olympic medal. The closing ceremony will be live-streamed in the early hours of Monday, 12 August.